I'm Anil Kumar, and in this particular video we are going to apply one particular law of logarithms to evaluate all the three expressions. The rule is log to the base b of x to the power of r could be written as r times log to the base b of x, right? That is the power rule, right? Which we are going to apply and find or evaluate all the three expressions given. You can also pause the video, solve, and then look into my suggestion. So let's begin with the very first one, which is log to the base 25 of 5. To apply this rule, what we are looking for, and there's one interesting thing here, right? If I substitute, let me discuss that part also. If I substitute x equals to b, in that case what do I get? Then I could write this expression as r times log b of b, which is indeed r. Do you see that? So this is how we get another law of logarithms, right? Log base. If base and the variable is same, in that case you get 1, right? So r times 1 will be 1, so you get r, right? So it's a combination of these two which we are going to apply here. So if I could write 5 as 25 to the power of something, I can make the same base as this number 5 and then evaluate, right? So that is what I'm trying to do actually. So we could write this as log to the base 25, and 5 could be written as 25 square root, correct? Square root of 25 is 5, which is kind of log to the base 25 to the power of half, correct? Now applying this rule, we get this as half times log to the base 25 of 25. Now log to the base 25 of 25 is 1, and therefore we get half as our answer, right? So always, if you could make the base, as I have shown here, this number as same as the base, then the log will be 1. We'll apply this kind of method once again and then solve the next one. So here we have base of 9. How can I write 3 as base of 9? Square root of 9 is 3, right? So we have kind of like this here. Do you see that part? So I replaced 3 with square root of 9 and copied the rest. So now next step is 9 to the power of how much? This is half, right? It's kind of, let me add one more steps. That helps. Now this is log to the base 9, and we get 9 to the power of 5 over 2. And that should be equal to what? 5 over 2, right? 5 over 2, the value of r. Since log 9 of 9 is 1, correct? Let's do this one. Now in this case, it is 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1, correct? Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So we get log square root base of 1. Log of 1, you know, as a rule, is always how much? Is 0, right? That is one way. We could apply this rule and also get the same answer. Let's see how. I could write this as 0 times log of square root of 5 times, it could be 25, but 0 times anything is 0, so we get 0 as our answer. Do you see that? So either way we could solve it. I hope with this particular video your concepts about evaluating logarithms are very clear. The idea here is to make this number same as the base and find the exponent which can do that part, and that exponent is your answer. Do you see that? So that is the idea. And I hope that helps you to understand and evaluate most of the logarithmic problems in your book. Thank you and all the best.